All right. What we're doing today is quick and simple hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. It's dead simple. Now, the only thing we need is 1 cup of cold water, and it's got to be cold water. Go ahead and add that in. I don't have my trivet that the Instant Pot came along with, so I'm going to go ahead and add a skewer basket. Put that down below. I'm going to throw our eggs in there. Put the top on. Seal it up. And then the only thing to do, set it to manual. We have high pressure. We want to dump this down to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So we got our Instant Pot set for 5 minutes. It's sealed, high pressure. What we're gonna do is wait for that to come down to cooling and keep warm. Once that's done, we want to keep it on for 5 minutes and then a quick release. All right, as you can see, we hit low, or what switches from pressure to off. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this. Hit the cancel button. And then quick release it. So for the quick release, the only thing we're gonna do, you see how we're vented? That's what we want. We were sealed before. Go ahead and throw a towel over it so the steam doesn't escape everywhere. And it's quick released. We can hear the pressure button pop. That's what we're looking for. I'm gonna go and pop it open. There's our eggs right there. We go and pull it out and throw it into an ice bath. Boom, there's our ice bath right there. Go ahead and throw these guys in. Let it rest for about 5 minutes or so. And then they should be really dead easy to peel. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and peel it up. Smash, roll, and peel. So we're gonna do this one-handed. There we go. Crazy easy. That's what we're looking for. Go ahead and slice it up. All right, that peeled in seconds. Let's go ahead and slice it up and see what we got. Easy peasy. And there we go. Perfect yolk inside. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. So that's how you do a simple egg in the Instant Pot, hard-boiled egg. Couldn't be easier. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Cup of water. Good to go. On high pressure. Next time, I'll bring you a hard-boiled eggs on the stove top. Stay tuned. Pickles